Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by placing your thumb on the back of the neck, roughly centered. This gives counterpressure for clean fretting. Curve your fingers and use the fingertip pads to press each string. This prevents buzzing and keeps notes clear. Make sure your wrist stays relaxed with a gentle bend, not rigid. Tension kills speed. Once done, check that the elbow stays close enough to support the hand without squeezing. This balance between thumb pressure and curved fingers is the foundation for everything that follows. Now focus on placement accuracy. Aim the fingertip perpendicular to the fretboard and target about 1/16 of an inch behind the fret wire where the note rings best. For bar chords, shift the thumb a touch lower and roll the wrist so the side of the index finger flattens across strings evenly. Use as little force as necessary. Pressing harder than needed slows you down. Make sure to lift and replace fingers cleanly when changing chords to avoid dead notes and preserve smooth motion. Finish by testing every string across frets for buzzing and clarity. If a note buzzes, move the finger slightly closer to the fret or increase just enough pressure. Practice chord transitions slowly and deliberately, then raise tempo in small increments, about 5 to 10% at a time, so muscle memory forms without tension. If you feel sharp pain rather than normal fatigue, stop and rest for a day or two, then reassess hand posture. Persistent pain warrants consulting a teacher or medical professional for correction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.